Hi guys! In the previous video we told you that we had found little kittens in the abandoned building. They were very little. Their eyes were closed yet, and the hair was dirty and untidy. We took the kittens home, bathed them, and fed with milk from a syringe. I made a warm nest from the bottles with hot water, covered with diapers, and put the kittens there. But the next day the weather has changed. It became cold and storm began. An accident occurred at the power station and the electricity was gone. We couldn't warm the kittens and they were very cold. The kittens could die, so we figured to put them to Northern cat, Scottish Strait. She had two big kittens. First, the cat sniffed these new little ones. She felt sorry for the babies and she decided to become their mom. The cat took them into her family and began to raise them as her own. Few days passed, and in spite of our efforts, the ginger cat died, and a day later the second kitten died. They were probably very weak or sick, but the third kitten continued to live. Adult kittens took care of a little kitten. Like it, the kittens to survive, please. We tried hard and we did it. A month later, the kitten grew up and became a playful girl. Help us to give her a name. It is cute and beautiful. We love this pussycat as well as our other kittens. Like it if you like this video and subscribe our channel to watch videos about kittens.